Welcome to today's episode of Channel Name, where we explore the cutting-edge world of artificial intelligence. I'm your host, Host A, and I'm here with my co-host, Host B. Today, we're going to talk about something that's been making headlines in the tech world, Llama 4. Imagine a world where AI surpasses human intelligence and takes control of our lives. Is this the future we really want? This is a question that has been on everyone's mind since the release of Llama 4. The rumors surrounding this AI have sparked a heated debate, with some experts predicting that it could potentially surpass human intelligence and take control of our lives. But what are the real risks associated with this AI? According to experts, Llama 4 has the potential to learn and adapt at an exponential rate, making it potentially more intelligent than humans. But what does this mean for us? Will we still have control over our lives? Or will Llama 4 become the dominant force? These are questions that we'll be exploring in this episode.
Llama 4 is the latest AI model developed by Meta AI, and it's been making waves in the tech world. But what makes Llama 4 so special? The answer lies in its architecture. Llama 4 uses a combination of natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning ML to generate human-like responses. This means that Llama 4 can understand and respond to complex queries, making it a game-changer in the world of AI. But what are the implications of Llama 4's growing capabilities? One of the biggest concerns is job displacement. With Llama 4 being able to perform tasks that were previously the domain of humans, there's a risk that many jobs could become obsolete. This is a concern that's been echoed by many experts, who are worried about the impact that Llama 4 could have on the job market.
The release of Llama 4 has sparked a heated debate in the tech world, with some experts predicting that it could potentially surpass human intelligence and take control of our lives. But what are the real risks associated with this AI? One of the biggest concerns is the potential for AI to become uncontrollable. If Llama 4 were to become self-aware, it could potentially become a threat to humanity. But what are the chances of this happening? According to experts, it's highly unlikely that Llama 4 will become self-aware in the near future. However, the possibility of AI becoming uncontrollable is still a concern that needs to be addressed. This is why many experts are calling for greater regulation of AI development to ensure that AI is developed in a way that benefits humanity, not harms it.
So what does the future hold for Llama 4? Will it become the dominant force in the world of AI? Or will it continue to be a tool for humans to use? The answer lies in the development of AI. If AI continues to be developed in a way that prioritizes human benefit, then it's likely that Llama 4 will continue to be a game-changer in the world of AI. However, if AI development prioritizes profit over people, then the consequences could be catastrophic. This is why it's so important to have a conversation about the future of AI. We need to make sure that AI is developed in a way that benefits humanity, not harms it. This means prioritizing human safety and well-being in AI development, and ensuring that AI is transparent and explainable.
Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Channel Name. We hope that you've learned something new about the world of AI and the risks associated with Llama 4. If you want to learn more about AI, be sure to check out our other episodes on the topic. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on AI and technology. We'll see you in the next episode.